What treatments are there to fade my scars? One is I would have it evaluated by a board-certified dermatologist because there are different types of scars, and sometimes in-office treatments can cut short the healing time, and sometimes treating a scar early is much better than waiting for it to resolve. At home, things you could try, there's lots and lots of great products. Roche-Posay has a scar product called Cicaplast. Avène has Cicalfate, which is also excellent. BIODERMA has Cicabio, that's also excellent. You can just buy a silicone gel sheet from the drugstore, even on old keloid scars. You just buy it in the drugstore, not expensive, cut it to a little bit bigger than the size of the scar, and put it on at night, and then you can use one of those creams during the day. With all scars, the sun can affect collagen production, so going in the sun is bad for all types of scars. So if you have a scar, protect it from the sun, and the tincture of thyme goes a long way to helping a scar heal, even without any treatment at all.